This is the parent tutorial for signing up for conferences this year. We will use the same website as last year, ptcfast.com. We have sent home a letter. We sent the letter home through Blackboard. We also sent home a paper copy. Now on that letter is the website that you need to type into your browser, or on our own school website you can click on the link to sign up for conferences too. So the way that you would do that is on our website you would access the letter and click on the link. Now it's going to ask you to sign up for teachers. You will have all our teachers listed here. Then you will select the teachers that you want to sign up with. I'm going to pretend that I want to sign up for these two teachers. I'm going to click submit. Now it says that I've selected two conferences. Now I'm going to say that this is for two different children, so I'll select that. These are for more than one student. I'm going to put their names in. So Joe and Jane Smith. I'm done with the names. I'm going to proceed with registration. Now this is where you put in your information. Okay, so you're going to use your email address and then also put a phone number in case we need to contact you. Now it says here, thank you for registering. Then you're going to receive an email. Now the email came pretty much right away. Here is where you're going to click here, click to select your conference time. And you're going to see both conferences. You're going to see Test Teacher 1, which is for Joe Smith, and then Test Teacher 2, which is for Jane Smith. Now if you can come at night, you're going to come Monday, November 21st. If you can only come in the afternoon, then you'll come Tuesday, November 22nd. So I'm going to say that I'm coming at night, so maybe for my son, Joe Smith, I want to come at 5:15. For my daughter, I want to come at 5:30. Now as parents sign up for conferences, these slots will disappear. I'm going to confirm the selections and exit. Now here it says thank you for signing up. We'll send you an email confirmation and reminder. There's the email confirmation. Now if I do need to change anything, I can click on my PTC Fast sign-in link, and that's how you can change the time of your conference. Okay, you can remove your appointment if you don't need it anymore. But that's how the PTC Fast conference selection tool works. If you do need any assistance, feel free to call us at the school and we'll help you out there. All right, thanks for watching and best of luck.